everybody, this is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Today we're talking about oregano, and I've got a list of foods that are known to pair well with oregano. So if you're trying to develop a new recipe or you have a meal idea and you're not quite sure how to use it and you want to use oregano, hopefully this will help you out. In the protein category that includes legumes, nuts, and seeds, we have beans in general, beef, chicken, chickpeas, eggs, fish and other seafood, lamb, pork, tahini, turkey, and veal. In the way of vegetables that pair well with oregano, there's bell peppers, chilies, eggplant, endive, fennel, garlic, mushrooms, onions, potatoes, scallions, squash, including summer and winter squash, tomatoes and tomato sauce in particular, vegetables, roasted and stir-fried, and also zucchini. In the way of fruits that pair well with oregano, there's citrus fruits in general, lemons, olives, and oranges. In the way of grains and grain products, there's corn, grains in general, pasta, and rice. In the way of dairy and non-dairy foods, there's cheese, in particular feta cheese, soft cheese, and white cheese. In the way of other foods that pair well with oregano, there's mustard, as in prepared mustard like Dijon mustard, and there's oil in general, but especially olive oil. Well, I do hope this helps. Bye for now.